So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to attempt to make tortillas, or if you like, flatbread. It's in the same family as chapatis, but this is a version where I don't use oil, there is no egg. It's just about 3 or 4 simple ingredients, as you'll see in the description box below. I believe it's warm water, the flour you choose. I chose all-purpose flour, and for a better version or healthier version, you can go with wheat flour, but I couldn't find it anywhere around here. So it's warm water, flour, salt. You can add sugar, a little bit of sugar if you like. I did, and yeah. So about those, if I'm not mistaken, yeah. So these are, I believe, they're a healthy alternative to chapatis, although some would argue it is not as healthy, but I wanted to try it out for myself, and I'm pleased that I tried to achieve something close to that. And as you'll see in the video, I'll bring you along to show you how I made them from making the dough and preparing the whole tortilla, like the whole process. I'll take you along, and then also I ended up making some scrambled egg wraps, which were delicious. In fact, I think I will do a video on how to make your sumptuous scrambled eggs. Tongue twister, huh? So I'll show you one of those. I don't know when, but I'll record one of those and then show you how you can achieve crisp and delicious scrambled eggs. So I used that scrambled eggs as my base, my source of protein, because with wraps you can add anything you like. And I think throughout the week, because I have prepared the dough, so I can always just bring it out and then make some tortillas, because I didn't want to make them and then keep them, because when you keep them for long they tend to become hard and you want your tortilla soft. So come along as I show you how to make these.